What's up, mother lovers? Our first guest for tonight is a returning and defending guest, TJ Dimacali.
Hello.
Ano siya, from our Aliens episode. Okay? And dahil may bagong drop ang ano, 'di ba? Ang galing ng itong si pareng Donald talaga, ang daming pautot no. Hindi pa
anything,
bak
anything to distract us from the Epstein files.
Oo nga pero bakit kaya ganun ng strategy? Aside from the Epstein files, if there's any other logic na alam mo yun, bakit kailangang unti-untiin na ganyan, alam mo yun? Kasi this one, everybody's saying, although hindi pa namin nakikita lahat, yung mga nasilip ko pa lang kasi gusto namin parang blind reaction to eh. 'Di ba? Yung dun sa mangyayari dun sa UFO files. And people are saying that this drop is yung sinasabi nga ng iba smoking gun na raw eh, 'di ba? Parang ganun. So parang pa-intense ng pa-intense. So maybe the next one would be even more dramatic or what? What do you think?
Well, I don't. Ang masasabi lang natin, may kita natin na maraming nagsasabi. You know, Trump has been very erratic. Some observers have gone so far as to say na he might be suffering from dementia. I mean, I don't know.
May ganong talks, oh.
Oh, may ganong talks eh. So, you know, I'm not a doctor, not a lawyer, and definitely not part of big government. So, I don't, who knows what he's thinking. Pero it does fit into what we've seen. It tracks for what we've seen him been doing over the past few months, years. Na bigla na lang kung anong mapagdesisyonan lumalabas to.
Ibang ano eh. Pero siguro ang maganda doon, finally, parang ewan ko kasi inaano nila yan eh, parang for decades they have alam mo yun, tinago nila to sa sa mga tao. Tapos nung mga past weeks na nakita natin, hindi ko nga gets kung bakit kailangan pa nilang i-classify yun eh. 'Di ba? Parang ano ba naman to? Kailangan ba talagang classified to? Parang wala lang naman. 'Di ba? What do you think naman on that part?
Oh, well, ano din kasi no, depende rin naman sa perspective ng mga tao. Na like kunwari, a lot of the footage that we've seen kunwari could be in a gray area in as much as kunwari na it is an identified flying object. We're all in agreement, pero is it alien? Not necessarily, 'di ba? And andun yung posibilidad na yung mga taong nag-document nito, they don't think it's kasi pwedeng ihiwalay yung usapan dun sa whether it's extraterrestrial or not. Na yes, it's unidentified, but there could be a rational explanation. So pag ganun yung if you think about it that way, merong posibilidad na merong earthbound explanation, pero for whatever reason ayaw nila i-divulge, no? Like kunwari, it could be lumalabas, and this kind of thread comes up quite often, diba, na it could be documentation of some kind of military operation or testing device that was entirely human-made, but for one reason or another, teka, hindi dapat muna malaman ng publiko yan. There's also the question, of course, of the why were the cameras there in the first place, diba? Who was taking the footage, with even what device they were using? Kasi syempre kung anumang kinukuhanan mo, dapat akma din yung camera mo dun sa kinukunan mo, whether it's night vision or in broad daylight. You have to be at the right place at the right time with the right equipment to get a documentation. So that also raised the question, what were they, not in all instances, no, but it's a possibility, what were they doing there? Kaya nila nakuhanan yun, diba? So that could also be a reason. So marami ring posibility na
well some of those instances naman are like yung mga pilots. So nakita nila kasi pilot sila. May mga ganun naman. Parang meron namang reasonable na explanation yung iba. Yung iba nga lang parang teka, ba't nandiyan ka? Good point, 'di ba? Okay, so without further ado, tingnan natin yung tawag dito, etong Department of War, website ng Department of War ng Amerika. Grabe to. Gumawa talaga sila ng website for
in-effort
do you think kaya yan? Mga ilang drops pa kaya? Do you think parang wala akong naririnig na balita no?
I honestly don't know enough to say or to even guess how deep it goes.
Yeah, so eto mostly mga photos yung iba dito, pero meron mga videos eh. So, eto, based on, teka, parang preview lang ata itong mga nasa taas. Nandito talaga yung mga files sa baba. Ito. Let's see. New Mexico. Ito, tingnan muna natin to. Pero kaso
Sige.
PDF file lang to eh. Ito, video.
Sige,
Teka.
video.
Oh, yung mga video na lang kasi malamang ang dami
Oo nga
nito no?
Mahirap mag-comb through mga documents, although they're definitely worth watching.
Yeah, okay. So ito, let's play this. What's that? Pero parang ano siya eh, inverted eh, parang almost like it's night vision eh, no?
Oo nga eh. Oo. I'm sure it's got documentation, but let's see what it shows. So
Okay.
I presume yung starlight thing, yun yung sinusundan niya. So ano yung nakalagay doon sa
Oo nga eh, basahin natin. The United Indo-Pacific Command submitted a report of an unidentified anomalous phenomenon to all. Video description. The sensor pans to track an area of contrast resembling a six-pointed star,
There you
keeping
go.
it generally centered within the center of the screen. The video description is provided for basically yun lang yun. Yun yung ano niya.
Oo, but is there any information on where it was taken? Ano yung ibang
Release,
circumstances kuha sa video?
Location parang wala. Ayan nakalagay eh. Location, non-length, 15 seconds, category, B-roll ba yan? B-roll, tapos date taken last year lang, 2025.
Well, there's no, it's difficult to judge kasi we don't know much about the video. Based dun sa, sige, i-play mo ulit or let's discuss it while it's playing.
Okay. Well, at 15 seconds lang eh.
Yeah, sige, kahit i-loop natin.
I-loop natin.
Yan, katulad niyan. Sige. Dyan pa lang, may kita natin, it seems to be over water.
Oo nga, no?
Oo. So,
at saka parang light yung ano eh, 'di ba? Parang inverted na light, naging black lang yung ano when you see light in night vision, no?
Oo nga. So baka nga it was at night, we don't know. Ang nag-gets ko lang, yun, yung background niya mukhang tubig. Pero kita mo hindi clear kung yung gumagalaw sa likod is tubig, waves, or it could be terrain of some sort.
Oh, desert, no?
Oo, pwedeng ganun. A terrain that looks like waves.
Pero itong nasa gitna, ayan, merong mga may mga white doon. It could be a ano bang tawag diyan, six-pointed object eh, no? Tapos may mga light na nagbi-beam out. Kasi parang ang itsura niya hindi siya mukhang, kasi when you shoot at the star, yung ng camera, nagkakaroon ng refraction.
Right.
Oo, 'di ba? So
at saka it's obvious that it's aimed pababa or yung camera.
Oo nga, no? Well, at saka also, mukhang alam mo naman yung tsura ng star. Alam naman natin yung tsura ng star talaga.
That's definitely not a star.
No.
It's some kind of phenomenon, possibly a physical phenomenon. I'm not sure. Could it be a drone na malabo lang yung kulay?
Drone na Drone na top view.
Oo.
Diba?
Posible,
pwede, diba?
Oo. So, yan yung sinasabi ko earlier, no, na there might be videos like this where they're on a routine observation mission or whatever. Tapos may nakunan sila. In this case, yun, katulad din, we see it's a star, but it looks like a star. I mean when shape lang na star-like. Pero hindi nila alam kung ano. So, syempre, kung sundalo ka, yun i-report mo. Unidentified siya, di ba?
And
but
also,
we don't know what explanation there might be.
And also, another odd thing about this, Comicsman Crossfire is a fully independent production that champions free speech through real conversations, principled debates, and unfiltered exchange of ideas from the best people we can find. You can support this program by joining our YouTube membership, which gives you access to the unedited live streams of the episodes, or by sending direct donations through this QR code. Salamat at mabuhay kayong lahat. Is napaka two-dimensional nung pagka-present ng image. Kasi usually you'd see things in three-dimensional na alam mo yun, medyo nakatagilid
May
yung
depth or something.
'di ba? Ito parang perfect na 2D 'di ba?
Oh, that
So
could be.
that's,
I don't know. No, that could be a limitation of the camera mismo.
Maybe. Kasi it's
Hindi
not
natin
wiggling, it's not kumbaga ang movement lang niya is two-dimensional,
And
'di ba?
that's also interesting, no?
Mm.
Bakit yung kilos niya mukhang mabagal at dire-diretso? Kasi
Oo.
kung drone siya, you would expect it would bob around, di ba? It would move back and forth or left to right a bit. Ito mukhang dire-diretso yung kilos niya.
Oo
But
nga
then
eh.
also, because we don't have much more info to go on, we don't really know kung ano yung pagkaka-zoom nitong video eh. There's nothing.
Oo nga,
At least, I'm not a visual or expert or an image analysis expert, so there might be things that I'm missing. No? But for me, as an untrained observer, especially watching this for the first time, there's nothing in the video to show me sense of depth or sense of distance, diba? So yung strange na movement niya na parang dire-diretso siya, it could be just because it's far away.
Ito pala nakalagay, unresolved UAP report, Yellow Sea. Sa Yellow Sea siya.
There you go. So we have confirmed that it's on over water.
Yellow Sea 2025. So, ano sa tingin mo to? Anong plausibility na if you're gonna
There's too little information to go on.
Pero what would a drone be doing in the middle of the sea? But then again, malay mo nasa beach lang 'yan, 'di ba?
Diba? It looks like tubig talaga siya nasa likod.
Oo nga eh.
But then again, you're asking what would the drone do? What wouldn't it? I mean, why not?
Sa bagay.
Malay natin may forces na tumitingin. And to the point, obviously there was a US ship there. So baka sila yung tinitingnan, di ba?
Sa bagay, oo nga, no? So, it could be a spy drone, I don't know. Pero ang bagal niya for a UAP, no? By UAP standards.
Mukhang mabagal siya, tapos very strangely very stable yung kilos niya.
Oo nga. Let's look at the other the next ones, 'di ba? Kasi madami-dami pa eh. Yung mga video na lang Ito pa. This one.
Yan, East China Sea video. Okay.
Oh, yun. East China Sea.
So we're looking at clouds.
Clouds with mukhang aircraft na naman to, 'di ba?
Yeah, sa itaas, yan, dun sa
Oo.
Oh, that's interesting.
Nasaan yung UAP dyan? Hindi ko pa nakikita. They're
Dyan
tracking.
It
Uy,
looks like I think yan. Malinaw.
Ayun, yun. Yung anong, yun. Grabe, ito mas mabilis to.
Oo. At mas taas siya.
And these are pilots who submitted this, di ba?
Oo.
O parang parang meron
siyang
ilaw,
bitbit,
no?
diba?
Oo.
Yan, there you go.
Grabe, parang may ilaw na tumatama doon sa clouds eh. Or hindi pala nawawala yung yung distance. It's in the same distance. Holy shit, what's that?
Alam mo ang itsura niya sa akin, it mukha siyang delivery drone.
Oo nga,
parang
no?
Amazon
pala.
Di ba? May pitpit siya sa ilalim.
Pero it's amazing, no? Let's see, ano bang altitude kaya nito?
May ano ba?
East China Sea. Teka, paano nila nakuha yan? Nasa China. 'Di ba? Sa bagay, East China Sea is just somewhere in Japan. 'Di ba? Parang Japanese yung nakakuha nito. May mga US bases naman dun eh.
If it's open waters naman. At saka yun nga, malayo yung kuha eh. They could have been in safe waters when they were doing it.
Oo.
So what else does the description say?
Let's see. The sensor adjusts and the image is momentarily overlaid with black rectangular areas. Saan part yun?
Hindi, yan yung yung kanina, yung mukhang nagloko yung camera kaya nagpixelate. Yun yung intindi ko doon.
Ganun, okay.
At least
Kaya,
yun yung intindi ko. Di ba kanina,
Mhm.
nagpixelate sa mga rectangle. Yeah.
Oo nga, no? Oo nga, no? Oo nga, tama. Na ito, wow, ito yung, ano yan? The sensor pans to the track an area of contrast. Ano yung clouds? Are these clouds? Teka, i-scroll na natin. Kasi medyo, gumagalaw pala yun, no? Parang wala. May nakikita ka bang ano dito?
Wala akong napapansin.
Oo nga, no? Parang Where's Waldo to, ah.
Oo nga.
Teka. This one, eto.
Sige.
Okay, tracking. Pero ni-redact pa nila yung mga yung mga kung anong altitude
data.
siguro yan, di ba? Oo.
Where are you?
Where is it?
Parang wala na.
Grabe, nakakatakot ang langit no? Sipin mo. Kasi actually may phobia ako dyan Yun sa mga malalawak na open spaces.
Oo.
Pag nasa beach ako, tapos mapapatingin ka dun sa kung gaano kalaki yung sky, nalulula ako Lalo na pag may mga cloud formations na mga katulad niyan.
Well, nakaka-disorient minsan. Masama if you have no sense of scale or distance.
Oo nga Parang you'd feel how little you are. Pag ganun.
Kaya nga sabi nga nila lahat ng mga nakapunta sa space, mga astronauts, when they come back, iba yung pananaw nila daw sa Earth.
Oo nga
Feel so small.
Yeah. At saka yung mga open seas, pag nakasakay ka sa barko, makikita mo talaga wala ka talagang laban
Also true.
Teka, parang wala akong nakitang dito, UAP. Okay, wag na yan. Wala akong nakita. Wala akong nakita dyan.
Moving on.
Hindi pa tayo sa kabila. Let's move on. Another video. This one. Eto. Oh, may sound. May konting sound. Uy, ano yan?
Mukha siyang nagla-land.
Oo nga
Ay, hindi.
Tapos na-distract siya. Ano yung tinatrack? Ayun! Ayun, may dumaan. A phantom dot.
Ulit.
It's a phantom dot. Isa ba? Dito yun sa part nito. Mahaba pa. 2 minutes. Baka makita pa ulit. Ayun, diba? Yun. Okay. Tingnan natin kung ano pang gagawin. Mga 3 minutes to halos
Parang nag-loop yung video pero slow muna.
Oo nga, no? Pero merong isang idea. Alam mo yung conspiracy theory ng mga rods?
Oo.
Diba?
Tawa ako dun
tapos ang ang isang explanation lang is
camera.
Tawag doon. Pwedeng mga bugs. 'Di ba? Mga bugs lang pala yung iba.
Mga bugs na na dahil dun sa frame rate ng camera nagmumukha siya. Ito pala si Jerome nandito at saka si KP3 Kings. Hi, hello.
Teka. Parang parang yun na yun. It's I think it's a typical teka, yung kaninang yung una nating tinignan, yung if you're gonna scale it from wala lang, parang totally improbable na UFO siya or UAP or totally unknown, possibly alien, 'di ba? Possibly alien.
I guess klaruin natin. Lahat ito definitely unidentified objects.
Yes.
So there's no question there. The bigger question I think is, are they alien?
Oo. So
I
from
think
1 to 5, yung una, how would you rank it? And ganun. And 5 would be probably alien.
Probably alien.
O kaya, 6 yung definitely alien.
Ako honestly, on that scale, on a scale of 1 to 6,
Oo.
I think, syempre 3 yung ano, no? I honestly can only give up to 3 kasi ano siya sa palagay. And across the board, across anything that we see, unless there's a little green man who actually talks to me, that will wrap it up to 6, di ba? Pero
paano yung
kaya
4?
well, yung probability na alien siya, I presume that's what you mean by 4 pataas, di ba? So 3 is, it could go either way, no? So for me, at least so far, based on what we've seen, the highest that I can give any particular one is a 3. And by that I mean, could it be aliens? Possibly, but there could also be a homebound explanation. Dun sa unang video na nakita natin, yung parang star. That is something that was very in your face. I would definitely put it at a 3 kasi
3.
undeniable na meron dong merong
weird na object.
Weird na object. Di lang natin lang kung ano yung nag-cause ng object na yun. Dun sa iba na nakita natin, actually yung pangalawa 2.8, 2.5 kasi may nakita natin na meron talagang, kasi parang kaya ko siya iniisip pababa, yung 3 pababa, merong sense of doubt in the sense na posible ba tong baka may glitch lang yung camera, baka naman wala talagang nandun, baka namalikmata lang yung camera, figuratively speaking, di ba? But in both those cases, mukhang actually yung one, posibleng lens flare din yun di natin alam, it could be flare. Pero yung pangalawa, malinaw na meron. Kaya ko lang ginawang 3 yung una kasi talagang it was right dead center of the screen. Malaki siya dun sa field of view, di ba? But to be honest, yun, maybe it's also a 2.8 in my book kasi yun nga, it could be some kind of flare in the camera, so parang problema ng camera. It could be there's nothing out there really, I don't know. Pero yung pangalawa, malinaw na meron tayong nakita na lumulutang na merong bit na kung ano man, di ba? So I'd rank that highly. That would be a 2.8 in my book. Etong huli, siguro
1 lang sa akin yung huli.
kasi actually I was giving it the benefit of the doubt kasi inisip ko naman baka ibon na napadaan lang or something.
Di ba?
Pero you're right, it could also be an artifact in the camera itself.
And also it's there's way too little, there's almost no detail. It's just a dot. Diba? So, yun, you can't really make up what it is. Yung isa kasi may ilaw diba? Parang yung para sa akin parang mas yun siguro baka 3.5 sa akin yung second 3.5. Tapos yung isa
talagang nakita.
Tsaka ang bilis diba? Parang parang beyond our technology yung visual diba? Although medyo featureless kasi siya kasi white dot lang din. So but it has that extra other dot. So yun ang medyo kakaiba dun. Okay, so let's watch our fourth video. Teka. Okay, grainy video. Uy, ano yan? That's clouds. Ito. Parang this is one of those TikTok videos no? Ang bilis naman, 8 seconds lang. Ang bilis, sobrang bilis.
Tapos ano yung nasa kanan? From the start of the video, there's something
parang cloud. Yan
nasa kanan.
Cloud siya.
But this is interesting dahil nga isang tuldok lang siya, posibleng nasa lower 2 something, 2.5 ganun. But what I'm curious about here, this is the first video we've seen so far na parang nawawala siya.
Blinking, no?
Yung pansin mo, yung pagkurap niya, hindi siya yung kurap na tawag dito na may ilaw tapos nawawala. At least as far as I can tell, ano, mukhang
Oo nga.
completely nawawala siya kasi dun sa moments na nawawala siya. I don't know, maybe kasi grainy din yung image, but it seems to me that when it flickers out, you can see behind it.
Oo.
Diba?
It's at saka yung flicker, it only affects the object, 'di ba? Yung background hindi na apektuhan.
Dapat hindi. Right.
Oh, 'di ba?
Yan, tingnan mo yung flicker niya, no?
Parang parang malfunctioning cloaking device ang dating no?
Parang ganun nga. Kasi 'di ba, if something is flickering, not may kita mo pa rin yung object, 'di ba? Parang maliwanag tapos wala, pero nandun pa rin. Pero ito, pag nawala, can we pause it? Mahirap i-pause, ano?
Pwede naman.
Okay, scrub natin to those parts na yan, no?
Ayun, no?
Yan, no? Bigla siyang na lang nawawala.
Ayun, no? Wala siya
diba?
dito. Tapos
so you can see, you'll notice and then the next frame balik siya, diba? So what's interesting about this is, so the background is dahil nga tubig siguro to, sabi nga, I think, anong sabi dun sa location?
Gulf of America, formerly known as.
Anyway, yun. So tubig, diba? So yung pattern na nakikita natin, I'm presuming tubig yan. So what's interesting is, diba, yung object na yan, kung ano mang nangyari sa kanya, yan, pagkawala, nakikita mo yung tubig sa likod niya. So it's not just a matter of the object flashing or blinking. Talagang nawawala siya.
Oo nga eh. And again, it doesn't affect the rest of the image, 'di ba?
Also, yes.
Diba? Yung kung meron man, parang you think it will affect the clouds man lang, 'di ba? Kasi may mga parts na
Ang inisip kong possible, I don't know what this is, but ang inisip kong one possible explanation kung bakit parang nagiging invisible siya is it might be a flat object.
Oo.
So sobrang flat na object na pero malapad pero flat, 'di ba? So dahil umiikot siya, merong time na nakikita natin yung lapad niya. So yun yung black. Pero yung time na nawawala siya, we're seeing it on its edge. Yan, parang siyang umiikot na ganun eh.
Oo nga, no? That's a possibility, no?
Oo.
How would you rank this?
3.
3? Hindi ba? Sa akin, mga ganun din. Parang katulad siya nung no? At saka medyo hindi lang straight line siya eh, di ba?
Kaya siya 3 sa akin kasi ironically it's because of the background eh. Parang yung iba kasi depende, yung iba kasi, like the first one for instance kanina, parang less physical yung dating niya sa akin. Kasi yun nga, I mean, it could be a flare or something. But this one kasi, dahil nga nakikita mo yung background niya, ibig sabihin, there's something that's blocking the light from the background. Gets? Yan, no? So, there's something there. It's not I kept talking about camera artifacts, di ba? Na baka naman sa loob ng lente lang ng camera, baka dumi lang sa loob ng di natin
lahat. Tama.
This one, dahil nakikita natin yung yung background na nasa malayo sa camera at nawawala siya, there's something between that water and the camera.
Actually, pwede kong ibaba pala ng konti, baka mga 2.5 sa akin kasi it doesn't look like it's moving at impossible speeds, 'di ba? It could be I don't know.
Sa bagay,
medyo pwedeng
it could be
bird siya or what.
It could be debris from something na umiikot-ikot lang.
Yung isa kanina, ang bilis talaga eh, di ba? Although, it can be kasi pag yung mga eroplano, mukhang mabagal lang naman pag nakita natin sa baba eh. Pag nandun ka sa ang bilis din pala, di ba? Pag nandun ka sa level nila, meron akong nakitang video ng parang 747 ata, basta an airliner, tapos siya, ang bilis niya, it looks a lot faster than when you see it sa baba. So I don't know kung gano'n yun, or lalo na siguro yung mga jet, di ba? So
possible.
Okay, so natin, balikan natin.
Okay.
The fifth one, teka, baka tayo, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5. Wala pa. Next page na.
Okay.
PDF. Naku, ang dami nito.
Oh.
Grabe, nasa pa yung iba. Video. Teka, baka merong search. All agencies, all types.
All
Video
types,
na lang.
yan.
Video, yan.
Yan. Sige.
Video,
So,
4.
we've
O, nakita.
seen 4.
Buti, meron palang marker ng mga nakita na. Thank you.
Nice.
Oh, thank you, parang
Thank you,
Donald.
CIA.
Okay. Tignan natin. Ano kaya to?
Okay.
Madami-dami pa to eh. Alam ko 17 daw eh. Oh, ang bilis nun.
Yun.
Ano yun? Grabe. Pero parang masyado naman tong madungis para ano.
Oo nga.
And
Pero ang
sa akin,
bilis
1 lang
niya.
to. Oo, sa akin parang 1 lang yan. Pero bilis no?
Oo. Yeah. 1.5 for me. Pero what's interesting about this is
Teka,
mukha
pero
siyang-
meron siyang meron siyang parang tawag doon, nozzle
Buntot?
na ano. Oo, yun oh.
baka projectile siya.
Oo.
Na
Ayan,
nadali lang. Oo. Could it be a projectile na that came into frame? So, ano yung location niya?
Middle East.
Middle East.
Unresolved UAP report Middle East. Hindi sinabi kung saan. It could be a projectile
Oo.
na, no?
Right. Kasi ano siya yung mukhang tawag dito, mukhang lupa yung nasa ibaba. It seems to be some kind of developed area.
Oo.
Tapos this seems, I presume this is an airplane or drone that's flying high above. So yun, baka may
Oo.
projectile nga na dumaan.
Oo nga, no? Tsaka meron siyang parang meron siyang rocket boost eh. Ewan ko. So, mga ano nga to? Probably not alien. Not alien nga. Okay, wag na yan. Okay na yan. Eto. Ito. This one, mukhang din to desierto. ICBM. Ito pala si Bam Makina. Di ba tropa ko yan?
Ayan, merong yan, yung nasa cross. I presume that's the unidentified thing.
Sali ka, Bam. Kung gusto mo, may link dyan. Para madami tayo. Oy, yung mga gustong makisaw-saw dito, you can click the link and join the stream. Okay. Nasaan? Ito, yung white na yon?
Mukha.
Is that it?
Yan it seems to be.
Nga, no?
Mukha siyang lobo eh.
Oo nga eh, parang
Parang mapits na lobo. I'd rate it a 1.
Oo, no?
1.2.
It's not so scary. Parang malay mo nga parang baka nga runaway lobo nga lang 'yan, no? Pero tingnan natin yung location. Bakit magkakalobo diyan? Iraq. Why not? 'Di ba?
Why not, 'di ba?
Oo, 'di ba? Iraq.
Oo nga.
'Di ba? 2022. Hindi masyadong ako diyan sa okay. Wag na yan. Dipat. Ay, hindi na markahan. Featured yun. Kaya may ganun. Okay. Dito tayo. Syria. Sa Syria naman to.
Okay.
Puro nasa Middle East ha?
Oo
Bakit
nga.
ganun?
Well, possibly kasi meron silang operations dun eh.
No.
Alam mo, ang tingin ko dito, so far, it looks like most of these, if not all of them, are probably, military videos. Probably part of standard procedure, 'di ba? Syempre nagmo-monitor sila. Not necessarily looking for UFOs or anything particular. Pero syempre, 'di ba? Nakabase kayo doon, so you always survey with cameras or whatnot kung ano yung sitwasyon. Tapos, syempre, you have soldiers who are reporting to their officers. Anong nakita nyo today? Wala. Merong mga kumukumpol na mukhang kalaban dun sa malayo, or there seems to be some kind of mass gathering in this area. The usual, usual field intelligence. But once in a while, and that's what I think these are, something comes across their cameras na And so far ako ganun din. I'm stumped. I mean, I can't figure out if I were yung kung ako yung sundalo, parang ano to? Parang hindi naman siya tao.
Oo nga.
Parang yung kilos naman niya,
Nakakain
itsura
ba yan?
kilos niya. Oh, 'di ba? So, parang
Naging Pinoyan yun.
'di ba? Pilipino naman yun. Sir, di ko makain yun. So, 'di ba? Parang hindi mo alam kung ano siya. So, you log it. Totoo naman, you would log it as an unidentified object. Oo.
Ito, ang ano naman niya, parang may white na streaker. Tingnan natin, abangan natin ng konti. Medyo ano to. Ay. Parang nagkaroon ng ano Parang nagkaroon ng nasaan? Ayun nakita mo?
No. Ang
Ayun
gulo ng image?
Oo nga daming mga niredact eh.
Teka,
Where? Dito sa side na to. Ay, hindi kita. Wait.
Okay.
Ano yun natin?
Kaya naman pala eh.
Na-crop siya. Oo nga eh. Teka. Na-crop siya doon. Ay! Wait, hindi siya ano. Wait. Ganun. Hindi kita dun sa ano. Yan, dito. Dito siguro.
Okay.
Basically, ganyan siya. Na dito sa side na to. Ayun kita mo? Ang bilis eh. Sobrang bilis. Sobrang bilis.
Which side are we looking at?
This one. Ayun yun.
Ayun, okay, yeah.
Nakita mo na,
Yung puti.
Oo. Medyo, ano siya.
Pero ang bilis niya. Ang problema, it looks fast, but we don't know how fast it was going.
Yeah.
Wala.
And also, kung malapit lang siya sa camera, di ba?
Baka, nga, it looks really fast.
Oo, di ba? So, di ba ganun yung sa rods, yung ang bilis niya.
Tapos dahil nga dun sa frame rate ng camera, na nasasama yung nagbo-blur yung itsura niya, kaya mukha siyang rod even if it's just an insect.
Oo, tapos parang ang daming paa, di ba? Anyway, it's baka nga rod lang yun eh. Baka nga classified as rod pa yun.
Itong nakita natin.
Itong nakita natin dito. Teka,
pero bakit siya puti? Ibig sabihin maliwanag ba siya?
No. Well, mukhang maaraw naman dito eh. Yan mukhang maaraw ng...
So, nagre-reflect siya ng ilaw.
It could be a metal object that was parang flurred into that.
Right.
Kung ano mang nangyari, kung bakit siya tumalsik or what. Ganun. Or a bullet. Kasi nasa Syria to eh. Yan Anyway, parang ano lang yan. One pa rin sa akin.
One. Same.
Oo. One. Teka. Syria, Iraq ulit. Wala pang, merong isang nakakatakot eh. Nasaan pa ba yun? Ang dami pa palang video. Ano ba yan? Nasaan yun ba? Iisa-isayin ba natin lahat to?
Ikaw.
Teka. Iraq.
Matagal-tagal yan.
Oo nga, ito natin to.
But sige, so while you're looking, ayan pala siya. Yes. Ano yung tanong mo?
Meron kasi akong nakita na mukha talagang yun ang pinakamukhang alien na nakita ko ever.
While you're looking for it. What I find interesting about these is unidentified talaga sila. But so far they're really small things, or at least they seem to be small things na they could go either way. Of course, pwede namang Occam's razor ang gamitin mong pagdesisyon dyan. The simplest explanation is the most likely na there's a local physical non-alien explanation, no? But that said, so far sa lahat ng nakita natin, even the most trivial, even if I come from that perspective na these aren't aliens and that there's a logical explanation, it's kind of difficult to figure out that explanation. But I think another concern dun kasi is there's a lot of information that we interesting.
Dalawa, no?
there's a lot of information that we don't have about these images, diba? I mean, how far are they? What kind of cameras are being used, diba?
Mm.
So, that's an example that you said kanina. So, kunwari, sige, isantabi natin yung alien. Kahit na local phenomenon to, di rin natin masabi na drone ba yan o langaw. Di natin alam kasi wala tayong alam dun sa distance ng object dun versus dun sa camera, di ba?
Oo nga.
May ganon. May ganon ano. But, yeah, it's still interesting kasi even before you jump to an alien hypothesis, it's still difficult to explain. And honestly, nakakagulat din sila.
Oo nga. Ito nasa urban na talaga, no?
Ayan, urban. Tapos, what are we looking at?
Nasaan? Ay, medyo mahaba-haba to. Maganda yung kanina, yung mga may tinatrack no? Anong lugar to? Parang may bakod, no? Mukhang
mukha siyang dam.
Biblical times ang dating, no? Oo nga, dagat to. Dagat. UAE daw eh.
Ayun, baka one of their shore facilities.
Saan dito? Hindi ko makita. Okay.
Makikita natin yan. Ang haba pala ng video.
Oo, medyo mahaba to. Ibang klase rin yung tiyaga ng mga naghalungkat nito, no? Wala, tingin ko wala doon. Hindi man lang nila kinrap yung siguro naman dito na. Nasaan? Wala. Wala to. Hindi ko nakita yan. Hanapin ko yung yung sinasabi ko. Nasaan ba yun?
Sige.
Teka. Let's see. Ito yung kanina. Teka. Ito. Play muna natin to while I'm looking for the pero nakakaano rin ha. Kahit ayun mapapa
ayan naman, ayan mga ganyan.
The same thing.
It's the same thing. So baka nga, there's some kind of drone things?
Oo nga. Siya na naman.
It's a Moonanite.
Grabe, no?
Tapos ang bilis niya, or it seems to be going really fast.
Ano kaya yan? Sa second appearance niya.
Oo.
May tawag na kaya sila? Teka, tingnan natin. Unresolved. Greece. Sa Greece naman. Kanina parang Yellow Sea yung kanina eh. Ang layo.
That's interesting. Similar objects na malayo sa isa't isa.
Oo nga, di ba?
UAP is diamond-shaped and moving at approximately, di ba? Oh, that's interesting.
Mm-hmm.
So ito na yung ito yung lumalapit na tayo sa 3 pataas.
Oo,
kasi,
di ba?
Parang ewan ko lang, of course, again, always open to explanations in either direction. Pero what's interesting here is it looks like the same kind of object. If it were in the same area, maniniwala pa ako na siguro parang yan yung nagkataon na yung kalaban yan lang yung drone na meron sila, 'di ba? Na I bought a stock. Ito puro stock nila to. But Greece, but seeing something like this in Greece vis-a-vis sa Middle East, parang ang layo nila sa isa na parang ang hirap it can't be entirely be dismissed, pero parang ang hirap isipin na whatever they were monitoring, parang naka-deploy doon yung itong object na to. I mean, you get what where I'm coming from na if it were a man-made object, bakit
ito sinasabi ko.
Ayun, sige.
Teka,
basically yun lang sinasabi ko.
Sige.
Earlier na it's interesting na it looks like the same object, but why was it seen in far away places? The only man-made explanation I can think of is siguro isa lang ng supplier nila ng drone or something like that, pero parang hindi ko Okay, so
Ito
now,
na, ito na, ito na. 'Di ba? Ano 'yan? Ano 'yan?
Fuck.
What the fuck? Tapos nilapitan niya, kumbaga parang stationary lang siya, tapos nung lumapit siya, parang gano'n ang nangyayari eh, no?
Oo nga.
Atlantic Ocean, 'di ba?
Nasa Atlantic Ocean pa siya. So, ibig sabihin, that can't, this bumps me up to a 4.
Oo, Atlantic Ocean. Teka, tingin ko yan yung pinaka-wow na ano, na so
Oo.
far. 'Di ba? Ano
Oo
yan?
nga.
It's so I don't know what
So,
that is.
so this is interesting. So, I presume we're looking at something that's hovering in the sky.
Oo nga, no? Na parang
Ah.
with no visible means of propulsion, 'di ba?
Oo. Kasi at nasa dagat pa siya.
Mm.
So,
Yan yung sinasabing smoking gun daw eh.
Ay talaga. Well, honestly, I'm stumped. I don't know what that could be. Wala akong again, I'm just again throughout this whole conversation, no, to clarify, I'm not an expert.
Mm.
Alam mo
Same
ang status natin para tayong mga para tayong nanonood ng magic show.
Oo.
Na, in the sense na when you watch a magic show, obviously there's a rational explanation that how the magician does their magic. But if you're not involved in that, parang ang hirap maniwala o paniwalaan na hindi siya magic, gets na there's a rational explanation to it. But that still opens a discussion of how far we can go with our rationality and what we can figure out on our own based on our limited understanding. So, katulad nun, yung mga pinakita kanina na mga lumilipad, yun, as we already talked about, it could be a leaf, it could be a projectile, they could even be drones yung nakita natin, and it's in the realm of possibility. Eto, could it be a drone? Maybe, pero ang hirap paniwalaan na drone.
Ang weird niya na drone,
kasi
diba?
ang drone niya, diba?
At saka yung structure niya is very irregular.
Exactly. So the fact that it's irregular tells me baka naman it's a natural object, pero even with that explanation, kahit na sabihin natin natural object siya, what kind of natural object could that be?
Kaya nga.
Nakalutang siya, di ba?
At saka gumalaw. It moved forward, di ba? It evaded.
Nag-evade ba siya o tingnan natin?
Yun, no?
O baka
umalis siya eh.
Or could it be the camera just panning to the right?
It looks like it moved.
It looks like
mukhang mukhang
but
no, parang teka, maybe parang nag-circle lang siya, no, na parang
pero hindi, even
the camera passed it by.
What baffles me is even if we take for granted na hindi siya gumalaw, ibig sabihin nakalutang lang siya. Parang hindi siya nalalaglag. So what the heck is it?
Pero ang meron siyang konting wiggle na para siyang nakasabit eh. Tingnan mo pansinin mo, meron siyang slight wiggle na parang nakasabit siya. Ayun no. Oo. Pero mukha namang hindi. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga details. Atlantic Ocean. Okay, so it's in the Atlantic Ocean. Saan naman nila isasabit yan kung nasa Atlantic Ocean? Unless they're lying na, 'di ba? And kung parang balloon naman siya,
Jerwalk.
Oo nga eh.
Darker maroonish. Interesting. Describes the phenomenon as dark maroonish color, approximately 12 to 15 feet in height. The report describes the phenomenon. Malaki-laki din siya. Traveling with the wind. It noted that it did not maneuver or change direction. Also, this is interesting. So, sinasabing it was not maneuvering or changing direction. It was something na dala ng hangin. Pero nakaka-curious pa rin. What could be that large na lumulutang ng ganun sa hangin? It does not seem to be I'm just basing this off the text explanation. No? That's not maneuvering. Could it be some kind of light debris na obviously it's not a piece of foil or palara, 'di ba? Pero 'di ba minsan yung palara pag magaan, 'di ba? Pag nahipan ng hangin, yun lilipad lang siya sa ere, dadalhin siya ng hangin. Pag umabot siya sa taas na medyo stable yung currents, lulutang siya doon, 'di ba?
Oo.
Posibleng ganun siya. But I can't imagine what could be that big and that like kasi if it's 15 feet big, ang laki niyan. So
Oo.
pero
Ano siya,
napakagaan din.
basically, 1.5 ng basketball ring. Yung taas
Oo,
nun,
oo,
1.5, 10 feet yun eh. So, malaki. It would be and maybe it explains kung ganun lang yung average na size nila. Kaya ang unti ng detail pag nakikita dun sa ibang parang dot na lang, 'di ba? And hindi ko alam kung lights yung yung etong mga puti na yan o nagre-reflect lang. Is it maroonish daw no?
can't tell, ah. Oo, maroonish daw, eh. So, ibig sabihin nakita nila with their naked eye.
Oo. Ngayon hindi na halata kasi black
Oo,
and white na lang 'to eh.
yung
Bakit naman kasi black and white yung camera nila? 'Di ba? Yung yung mga iPhone nga natin, yung mga Vivo nga, mga murang phone colored na eh. 4K na eh. Siguro no. Bakit nga kaya? Magandang itanong 'yan sa sa mga gumagawa ng jet kung may kilala ka. 'Di ba? Bakit ganyan ang mga footage nila?
Oo.
Dapat siguro wala yun ngang dashcam mas maganda pa diyan eh, 'di ba? Yung mga pang motor, mga pang kotse. Dapat yung mga o sige, let's say yung constraint ng technology, let's say infrared kasi hindi ka naman pwedeng gumawa ng image na highly detailed na kung infrared yung camera mo, 'di ba? O kaya heat vision or night vision. Pero dapat meron kang ganun, meron ka din kasamang maliit na camera na HD, 'di ba? 'Di ba pwede
Hindi
naman
natin
yun
alam.
eh,
Oo
'di
nga.
ba? 'Di ba? So para dun sa mga kaso na katulad nito, 'di ba? Maglagay ka ng DSLR doon, di mas maganda sana yung nakikita natin, 'di ba? Kasi naman magkano lang yun, 'di ba? Kahit nga Blackmagic na camera ilagay mo, yung helmet pa lang nung F35 millions of dollars na eh, 'di ba?
Ayun.
Wala man lang Meta glasses, kahit yun man lang, 'di ba? Anyway, pero yan ang pinaka wild na nakita ko dun sa mga how would you rate this?
Oh, 4. It's a 4 in my book.
4? Straight up 4, no?
Oo.
Ako din. There's parang
Kasi ako in my mind, the way I'm looking at, even as a skeptical person, no,
oo.
naubusan ako ng ng earthbound explanation for it. Yeah. Again, granted, I'm not an expert, pero I can't imagine. Wala akong maisip na scenario na normal that would do that.
Teka, ito yung let's see. Wait, merong enhanced photo eh. Wait lang. Siguro AI to, pero I'll try to show it. Eto. Share. Come on. Kaya mag-share. Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. Teka ba, mukhang bumagal siya. Naku! Wait for the program to respond. Ayaw mag-respond ng share ko. Teka, wait lang. Magko-close ako ng ibang program. Hindi ko na Oo nga, Wait lang. Pero okay yung stream natin, ha? Teka lang. Pag nawala ako, babalik ako, ha? Wait lang, ha? Teka. Ito si TJ.
Okay, so, enhanced. Parang naman. Well, that's an interesting representation. Very fanciful. Alam mo yung, sorry, there are many ways that we can talk about that enhanced image, no? Siguro let's start with one phenomenon interesting, no, na once you see it you can't unsee it.
Ano?
Yung ano, no, I mean the image itself, na pag pinakita mo yung enhanced version, itong yung lower photo na enhanced, na it's a ship. When you look at the original grainy photo, when you look at the original grainy photo, you can't not see the ship anymore. So that's an interesting phenomenon, na parang nababias na tayo kasi dahil pinakita na sa atin yung enhancement, mahirap balikan yung original to say that it's not anything else other than a ship, diba? So there's that psychological phenomenon taking place, no? Parang ang hirap, it makes it difficult to take a step back and look at it more objectively, kasi right now, after seeing, at least for me also, no, after seeing the enhanced version, when I go back to the blurred version, laging bumabalik yung utak ko dun sa details nung enhanced, because it makes more sense, diba? So now I can't, it's difficult for me to objectively analyze the original, because every time I look at the blurred original, I can't help but looking at the enhanced version. So there's that phenomenon, no, going on, that there's that psychological factor going on. Dun naman sa but even setting that aside, no, I think we also have to wonder about the other way around, no, yung kumbaga parang pareidolia, kumbaga yung konsepto ng pareidolia, na merong pattern na inisip nating muka. Could that also be what's happening here, in the sense na it's a blurred image, but we're trying to process it, and we're already thinking about it as being alien in nature. So okay, so dun mo naisip, siguro itong liwanag na to, baka thruster yan, ito ganyan, no? But these two concepts neither prove nor disprove ito, no? I think one way to look, at least ako, the way I'm approaching it is, does the enhanced image make sense? Diba? And for me, if it's too many thoughts in my head. If we are basing if I'm going to base this on what little I know of man-made flying objects, parang this won't fly, metaphorically and literally, no? Kasi obviously wala siyang pakpak. But then again, if it is indeed alien, it could be an anti-gravity sort of thing, which would also go back to that would track with the description ng video earlier, na parang lumulutang lang siya, di ba? That would explain why it's floating, if it is indeed an alien object that's floating, no? But beyond that, I don't know. The image, the enhanced image is nice, but I wouldn't know what to make of it, in that what would its function be? The closest I can think of is, of course we're all working on the assumption that enhancement is fairly accurate to what it actually looks like and what it actually is, no? Working on that assumption, the next question for me is, what can we tell from that image about what its function is? And to me, again, not an expert, but to me, if it seems to have a lot of cameras. So you've got eyes and whatnot. So it could be, if it's an alien, it could be an observation drone or something like that.
Pwede nga. Instead of parang search. Nandodouble ba yung voice?
Hindi naman.
Sa akin lang. Okay. So ano siya? Parang ang concept niyan yung space wars, diba? Parang mukha siyang unang low res na photo.
sa bundok sa Mars,
Oo.
siya
Oo,
meron
tama.
high-res na hindi naman pala malayo dun sa anong itsura ng tao.
Right. That's a good example. Oo. Oo.
Yeah, this could also be
But see,
camera lenses.
but you see, that's also why I put it at a 4. Kasi inisip ko na yan kanina na baka naman malabo lang ang tingin natin dito. Maybe it's just something natural from Earth. Pero yun nga, stump pa rin ako to put that, for example, let's go back to that example that you gave, the face on Mars, di ba?
No.
Nung malabo pa yung photos, yes, it looks like a face, pero pwede mo na namang it's not unlikely na bato nga siya. So nung nagkaroon ng clear high resolution photo, na-confirm nga na bato nga siya. Pero that question is not answered with this image, 'di ba? Okay, sabihin natin hindi siya UFO, as in alien UFO. But then what is it? Hindi pa rin natin masagot kung ano siya. The only facts that we have is ayan, 'di ba? So ito kumare, ayan, let's look at that. Going backtracking what I was saying, So itong yung original photo malabo. Pero dahil sa pareidolia naisip natin, it's a human face, 'di ba?
Mukha talaga.
Right, 'di ba? But even a skeptic would say na merong explanation na ang skeptic na bato lang yan, malabo lang yung photo. Again, sure enough, later on napatunayan nga na bato nga lang siya, 'di ba? Yan, 'di ba? Exact na nagkataon lang yung lighting. Yeah, exactly. Hindi siya talaga mukha. It just looked like that. Pero even before that high resolution image came out, there was you could say a simple explanation, an Occam's razor explanation for it. It's not a pyramid, it's not an alien artifact, it's just a bunch of rocks. And sure enough, it was. Siguro ang one way of framing what I'm trying to say is dun sa pinakita mong yung UFO image is there must be an Occam's razor explanation, but I don't know what that explanation is. Kasi ang alam, 'di ba? Ang alam lang natin dito, it's 15 feet big, lumulutang siya, tapos irregular yung shape niya. It's flying over a sea. So lahat nung naisip kong possible explanations fail. Na kunwari, if ini-imagine ko kasi noong una, baka naman drone siya, as in terrestrial, human built drone. But the size and the shape knocked that down. Sabi ko baka naman parang siyang palara or material na magaan na lumulutang lang in the wind. Pero bakit ganun siya katagal, 'di ba? At saka ganun siya kalaki. Kung 15 feet siya, ibig sabihin napakagaan nun. At kung napakagaan nun, bakit hindi siya nagfa-flap, 'di ba? Bakit hindi siya parang mylar na, 'di ba, na bumabalok-baluktot? It's just there. So I'm honestly stumped.
Yeah.
Me too. It's so normal now natin eh.
Exactly.
In terms of yung aerodynamic on what aircraft looks like.
Yes.
And how you weight. Kasi it doesn't metal things don't around.
Yeah, they don't just float around. And it doesn't seem to be in orbit, 'di ba? Na mukhang nasa atmosphere siya. So, if medyo magigets ko pa, and because there have been instances of that documented, mga space debris na mga wreckage from old satellites or whatever na in orbit. They look they're irregularly shaped. I could believe this was wreckage from a satellite if it were higher up in the atmosphere. Pero based dun sa description, nasa loob ng atmosphere natin eh. So bakit siya hindi bumabagsak?
Oo nga.
Yun, no?
Pero yung yan yung as far as I know, yan yung pinaka wow na example dun sa drop. Yan, nag-echo nga pala.
For you, parang okay naman yung boses mo on my end.
Sa'yo, wala.
Oo.
Sa
Baka sa stream. Oo.
Teka. Wait. Test. When pa rin. Test. Anyway, let's finish this discussion. So right now, how would you rate the latest drop on the UFO?
This is part of that drop.
Mm-hmm.
Well, yeah, I'm stumped really. Kagaya na sinasabi ko before, throughout the let me clarify my thoughts. I am still on the side of open-mindedness, coming from a position of skepticism. Na, you know, I never close myself to the possibility of actual evidence, and I would welcome actual evidence for alien visitation. Much of the things that we've seen today, and again, I keep saying this based on my own limited understanding, is I could readily find plausible explanations to earthbound explanations that don't necessarily invoke aliens. But honestly, this one, kahit na inisip ko pa rin na hindi, merong explanation, I'm sure of it, but honestly, I'm stumped really. I mean, and it's amazing. I don't know.
Yeah.
Wala akong maisip na explanation. Kahit, and actually, ito talaga, wow ito. But even if we go back to the earlier videos, yung mga what you and I are calling drones, no? Because for lack of a better term, because we really don't know what they are. Those are interesting because they do look like delivery drones, no? Na merong ulo, tapos it looked like they had some kind of cargo thing underneath, no? But what stumps me with them is even if we take that as the actual explanation, what baffles me is why they are located so far apart. Because obviously you can say na isa lang yung supplier nila. Yes, that's possible, pero parang ang laki namang coincidence nun. So dun sa mga earlier na pinahita, ayun, so dun sa mga parang merong lumulutang na parang delivery drone. Meron naman tayong nakita na yun, mga mabilis na dumadaan. Yun yung talagang parang dismissible. And I think even you earlier readily dismissed them na, could be just something na could be a bird or projectile or na tumilapon lang sa harap ng camera, di ba? But going back to this, given what all that we know about it so far, I'm really falling short of coming up with a plausible explanation for what it is.
So we can say that escalation of the alien case.
I would say so. I mean, kasi even if you that's why I keep coming back to it. Kasi even if you're a hard skeptic of alien UFOs, parang ang hirap hanapan ng earthbound explanation or human explanation for it. I'm not saying there isn't one. It's just that it escapes me. It's not as easy to dismiss as the other videos.
Yeah. Yun. So ano? Let's wait for the next drop.
Oo, exciting.
Feeling ko mas ano pa. Escalate pa yan. So, tingin ko talaga hinahanap tayo sa sa mga alien rin. Pero is there, paano let's say alien to.
Mm.
Is this based on the description, it can be blown away by the wind when it survived the space travel?
Pero malabo, pero what if again going on the other side of the fence, presuming that it is alien, it could have been deployed from a mothership,
Yeah.
diba?
Or ginawa na dito alien.
Oo, pwede rin, diba? In the same way na naalala ko tuloy yung nung World War II, 'di ba? Or even today, 'di ba? Yung mga fighter jets, short range sila, but because they're designed to be launched from a mobile base, 'di ba? The aircraft carrier. Even I remember going geek about it, 'di ba, sa Star Wars nung bago nila nakita yung Death Star. Nagtataka sila bakit may mga TIE fighter short range lang yan, mahina yan, pero bakit nandito sa deep space? Tapos yun pala, they were in a giant carrier aircraft, well, the analog of an aircraft carrier, which was the Death Star, diba? So posibleng ganyan. I mean, this thing, it could be flimsy, it could be disposable even, parang this won't survive outer space. But yun, that's also because it could have been brought here by a larger ship, could have been or it could have been built here, di ba? Kasi iba yung sa purpose niya.
Ang isang naisip sa mga aliens is kung totoo sila, Elon Musk is aware of it. Kasi kung aware siya, parang maybe
I guess. Alam mo, you have a point. Before he went off the deep end, I would have thought na hindi, masyadong matalino si Elon, hindi, parang kung may alam siya at posibleng may alam siya, baka tahimik lang siya. But in recent years, after everything that's happened politically and whatnot, parang ang hirap paniwalaan na he would keep a lid on it.
Oo nga, di ba?
Oo.
So Elon Musk interest aerospace tech bros are not aware of this technology that exists.
Possibly.
But does that make sense? Yun ang kasi hindi lang siya biological, hindi lang siya logical. Also political thinking, societal thinking.
That's also true. Oo nga, oo.
Are of the alien discussion.
Right. And that's the part that complicates things, kasi maganda when we think about aliens broadly, especially in popular culture, we tend to think about it in terms of science fiction, fantasy. Of course, we all know that science fiction and fantasy are not apolitical, no? There is always politics even in fiction, but in this case, parang ang daming there's a lot going on everywhere all at once, so it can be, and I think that's what it makes it also very confusing, kasi we tend to think about it in terms of it's no longer just a simple matter of, hey, are there aliens or not. You also have to think about ano yung political interests ng mga tao na nakakaalam nito, and why what they have to keep, or what would they gain from divulging and or keeping it secret, diba?
Yeah. Okay, so again, I guess we'll just have to play the next drop. Para tayong pero bantayan natin
Sige. Oo.
This like what thing follow. Ayaw lang magwagawa nito sa Pilipinas.
Ganun ba yun? Yeah, pioneers.
Anyway, nila muna, Jay.
Sige, no problem.
Well,
Yes, I sorry, I just to speak candidly, I love this format. It's so very Mystery Science Theater vibes na biglaan na I love it. Let's do this again.
Yes, thank you.
Sige, salamat.
Okay.
Have a good night, sir.
Sige.
Sige. Okay. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye.